Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make yam and egg sauce. So without wasting much of our time, let's go ahead and start cooking. I'll be showing you as I go the ingredients, okay? So here I've already peeled the yam, washed it and set it inside the pot, added water and salt. So I'll cover it to cook. So here I have some tomatoes, some cayenne pepper, scotch bonnet and onions. So I'm going to blend all this with food processor. So I'm not going to use any water for this, that's why I'm using food processor. And again, I want the texture to be rough, so it won't be finely blended. Okay, so after that, let me introduce you to the remaining ingredients. Here I have some eggs and the tomato mix, onions. Here I have some salt and other ingredients. This is egg we are frying, so we need minimal ingredient. Okay, so here I'm using canola oil for this. Yes, I love canola oil like that. So adding more oil because we are making a lot of eggs. So after that, I added the pepper mix and onions. So I'm going to leave this here to fry until the water dries off. Yeah, so it's going to cook for some time. So I'll come back to check it. Okay, so as that is going on, here I have the yam still boiling, but I will still check it and know how far it has gone. Okay, so I'm going to use fork to check. Oh, the yam is fully cooked now, so I'm going to strain it and set it aside. So here I'm checking the pepper mix. As you can see here, it has dried enough, so I'm going to add the remaining spices, which is the garlic ginger paste, the curry powder, the seasoning cubes and salt. That's the only spice I'm going to use for this, just minimal, not too much, because we are doing egg sauce. Okay, so I'm going to leave these spices here to marry the tomato and to allow the spices to activate inside the oil before I add the egg. So after this few minutes, I check it now. It has fried so well, as you can see. So the next thing is to add the egg. Please, I want to use the opportunity to tell you to please subscribe to this channel. Help this ministry to move forward, please, and always like my videos. Okay, please, it's so important to me. So after that, let's check the egg. Oh, I think at this point it's a wrap because this egg sauce is well cooked, and the next thing is to serve. Food is ready. Thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking my videos and commenting. All right, I will see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comment section. Okay, bye bye, see you soon.